You can save your marriage starting today, even if you are the only one interested. Imagine looking forward to coming home or looking forward to your spouse coming home with no knot in the pit of your stomach, no concerns about another argument. Imagine an evening spent with your spouse that is warm and cozy, full of connection, not spent in icy silence or heated rage. Imagine knowing that you are with your soulmate and knowing you two were in it for the long haul, ready to weather any storm in life and in love. If you aren't there, you can be. Don't believe me? Keep watching. If you really want to save your marriage, please watch this short presentation to learn how you can save your marriage. Left is angry, had an affair, or claims there is no hope. You can still take action and turn it around. I know because I have seen it time and no communication. You need to act. If there is no intimacy, no connection, no sex, you need to act. If you value your marriage, you need to act. A marriage crisis doesn't simply go away, and if you don't have the proper information, you can even make it worse. Do you find yourself begging? Each year, tens of thousands of couples seek marital therapy, hoping that that will be the key to saving their marriage. Unfortunately, that's not always the case. In fact, often marital therapy can actually undo the progress that you might be making and may actually cause you to move closer to divorce rather than away from divorce. And I want to talk with you about why that's the case and what you can do to get around that. So join me with some of this information that I can share with you. So we want to talk about why marriage therapy can be dangerous to your marriage and what the experts really don't want you to know. Each year, tens of thousands of couples seek marriage counseling hoping to save their marriages, and most will find it unhelpful, some will find it hurtful, and few will benefit. Half will still divorce. These are the statistics about marriage therapy that you may not have heard about. Of the couples attending therapy, half will end up divorced, which means they're no different than the general population, where about 50% of marriages end in divorce. So even those attending therapy have the same statistics. In fact, 75% of people who go to marital therapy say they have no measurable change in their relationship, and only 10 to 15% will report any positive change. Imagine a doctor saying to you that you need this procedure and there are some risks. There's a 50% probability that you will die. If you survive, there is a 10 to 15% chance that your condition will improve. And I would ask you, would you sign up for that? I would not. Here's the problem. This is why this is the issue. Most marriage therapists are actually trained in individual therapy models. They say they're marriage therapists, but they've actually been trained in all their training as individual therapists. And the reason that is a problem is because their goal is the happiness and the life satisfaction of the individual, not of the marriage. Many don't even have any training in marital therapy. It just happened that they had some couples who came to see them and they marketed themselves as marital therapists. There's no requirement for someone who says they're a marriage therapist to actually have training in marital therapy. And